Good evening, friends. You are most welcome to Think Eyes channel. Today we are discussing the social anthropology, where we are discussing the economic and political organizations. Our topic is the distribution of goods and services, and our case study is Potlatch, Potlatch. Potlatch is an elaborate feast among the American Indian groups of northwest coast at which huge quantities of food and valuable goods such as blankets, copper pieces, canoes, canoes, etc. are pompously and competitively distributed to the guest in order to humiliate them as well as to gain prestige for the host. Burning huge quantities of goods is also common. Potlatches are organized by individuals like village chiefs or a group of individuals or villages. The chief of the village invites a neighboring village to attend the potlatch, which the latter invariably has to accept. The guest in turn invite the host to attend the potlatch to be given by them. Though such distributions of gifts take place in a competitive way, it also serves as a leveling mechanism where food and gifts get equally distributed among various villages in a wide area in the long run. Similar feasts are organized among the Melanesian societies, New Guinea, wherein large numbers of in hundreds large numbers of pigs are slaughtered. Several villages attend these feasts. It appears that such large-scale feasts are a waste, but these feasts serve the mechanism of storing surplus food produced during good season, not by storing in bins, but by feeding the pigs. The pigs become food storing repositories which can be used as food during lean season. If successive years are also good, there will be overproduction of the food that goes to pigs. As a result, the size of drove grows into a unmanageable unmanageable proportion. Pigs destroy crops. In order to reduce the drove size, a large number of pigs are slaughtered and a huge feast is organized by inviting guests from other villages. As a result, the pig population gets drastically reduced and their menace on the fields also gets reduced. Such a feast take such feasts take place between villages reciprocally, and the excess food, that is pigs, gets redistributed. These feasts are not necessarily competitive, but in a few cases, in order to keep up one's status, some big men of the Melanesian societies organize such huge feasts. Summary. Summary of the topic. In summing up this unit, we can say that every society, be it a simple or a complex society, has a political organization that provides the ways of living as a social being by maintaining social order and resolve conflicts. The level of the organization and its structure differs from society to society. In addition to political organization, every society has an economic organization that involves different customary or traditional ways of transferring economic exchange of goods and services and also the customs for distributing them. Thank you very much.